Alright, welcome to a video on graphing horizontal and vertical lines. So we've been graphing slope-intercept, XY-intercept standard form. These are going to be way easier. So, well, they're supposed to be. I'll say that with a grain of salt there. So, horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are any line that's y equals a number, and they cross the y-axis only. So unlike our other lines, they are not going to cross the x and y axis. They're just going to cross the y axis at the number that the y equals. The vertical line is similar, except it's going to cross the x axis only at whatever the x equals. So x is going to equal a number, and that's where our line is going to cross. So here we have the line x equals -2. So what I want you to do here is this. I want you to identify where x equals -2. Now if you're having trouble seeing this graph and the lines that are there, go ahead and make it full screen. I know on some of your Chromebooks it's a little fuzzy, and for some people it isn't. And we look and we find where x equals -2. So we start at 0, 0, start right here, and then we go 1, 2, and here x equals -2. So what I want you to do now is I want you to start putting dots everywhere that x is -2. So we're going to go straight up and down. We'll do that for a little bit, and then we'll just draw a vertical line through those dots. It doesn't have to be pretty, as long as we can tell that it is vertical. So there's the line x equals 2. It's a vertical line going through x equals -2. Y equals +3. So it's a y equals, so that tells me it's going to be a horizontal line. So we're going to identify where does y equal 3. So again, we start at 0, 0, and we go up to y equals 3. And then we're going to put some little dots everywhere that y is 3. We know it's horizontal, that means it goes left and right. So it's there. So we're going to draw a horizontal line going through y equals 3. There we go. There's our line. So now I have two examples for you to do. On one graph, I want you to graph the line x equals 4 and the line y equals -2. So go ahead, pause the video, graph those now. When we come back, I'll have my solution. Okay, so our x equals 4 line is that vertical line in red, and our y equals -2 is that purple line that's horizontal. So go ahead and check your work with mine. When you are done, move on to the practice problems.